Why is finding the best antivirus for mobile devices non-negotiable in 2025? Because your phone holds everything. Banking apps, emails, social media, even your identification. And with the internet filled to the brim with malware just waiting to get its hands on your data, protection isn't optional. So, let's get your phone set up with a proper antivirus. Mobile malware is on the rise, and it's not slowing down anytime soon, with nearly 1 in 3 users globally experiencing some form of threat. These attacks come in many forms, from spyware and fake apps to phishing overlays and even banking Trojans. The consequences can be severe, anything from stolen identities and drained bank accounts to unauthorized access to your camera and microphone. Both the Google Play Store and the App Store are full of scammy antivirus apps loaded with fake reviews, intrusive ads, and hidden fees. And most importantly, while many of them claim to be free, they actually make money by selling your personal data to third parties. So in the end, you're paying with your privacy. To make sure none of this happens to you, I've gathered only reliable antivirus providers for today's video. You can also access exclusive discounts for them through the QR code on screen or the links in the description. Alright, the first contender on my best antivirus list is TotalAV. Security-wise, this provider has your phone covered. Its app scanning and behavior-based threat detection scour every inch of your device for threats, while real-time protection monitors your phone or tablet 24/7 to catch malware as it's being downloaded. That makes it one of the best antivirus options for both Android and iOS. For thorough threat prevention, the Web Shield feature blocks malicious sites before you even click on them, as well as phishing sites that try to steal personal data. On top of that, TotalAV frequently updates its malware database, so the app stays ready to handle both advanced and newly emerging threats. In independent testing by the cybersecurity experts at AV Test, TotalAV detected an impressive 99.8% of both 0-day and 4-week-old malware. The app also earned a perfect 6 out of 6 in usability and performance, making it one of the best antivirus options for iOS or Android. And because we like to see results firsthand, the Cybernews research team ran in-house testing as well. We planted 150 malware samples onto a mobile device to see how many threats TotalAV's real-time protection could catch. In the end, it detected 133 out of 150 samples, further proving that this antivirus is strong enough to keep your phone safe. Aside from its strong security, TotalAV is also a very comfortable app to use, with a beginner-friendly interface and an easy-to-navigate dashboard. It's slide-on system resources too, so even when scans are running in the background, the performance of your phone isn't affected. TotalAV also includes some handy features for mobile devices, like System Boost and Cleaner tools that remove junk or duplicate files, as well as leftover data from uninstalled apps, freeing up storage and improving overall performance. If you want to take your security to the next level, the App Lock feature lets you lock specific apps, with access only granted by entering a code of your choice. There's also public Wi-Fi protection to keep you safe on unsecured networks, along with QR code scanning protection. Moving on to pricing. TotalAV does offer a free plan, but it's very limited and doesn't include the protective features I mentioned earlier. The premium plans, however, are very affordable, with the total security package offering the best value. It not only includes all the security features we've covered, but also comes with a fully functioning VPN to encrypt your network connection and a password manager to securely store your personal data. To get this plan or any other TotalAV plan at the lowest price possible, make sure to use the coupon link in the description. Alright, next up on my list of the best antivirus for iPhone or Android is Bitdefender. If you're looking for an antivirus packed with features, Bitdefender is a great option. In addition to a security boost from the app lock function, there's also an anti-theft feature that lets you remotely lock, locate, or message your device if it's ever lost. The account privacy feature scans the web to see if your email has been compromised in a data leak, while Scam Alert automatically forwards suspicious messages to your junk folder so you don't risk opening scam links. The app anomaly detection feature looks for suspicious behavior, data, or events on your device and flags them in time to prevent potential damage. This means a wide range of threats like malware or intrusions can be blocked before they have a chance to attack. To push protection even further, Bitdefender also includes a call blocking feature to stop spam and scam calls, and if you own a smartwatch, the Wear On feature extends Bitdefender's security measures right to your wrist. The app is well optimized for both iOS and Android, and its malware scanning is impressively fast, even on older devices. Plus, the cloud-based scanning helps conserve battery life too. Based on features alone, I'd rank Bitdefender as one of the best antivirus options for Android phones or iOS, and it also comes with all the essential security needed to keep your data safe. Scamio is an AI-powered tool that detects even the newest and most advanced scams trying to infiltrate your mobile device. The scanning feature also checks for malware and helps you remove anything it finds. For thorough online browsing protection, Bitdefender includes web protection, which blocks malware and malicious threats from reaching you through email, while also stopping phishing attempts and fraud before they happen. Keep in mind that iOS devices have malware scanning restrictions, but Bitdefender's iOS app focuses heavily on phishing and web threat protection, making it a solid security boost even for Apple users. One of the main reasons I consider Bitdefender to be one of the best iPhone antivirus options is its excellent testing results. In the most recent AV test evaluation, this provider scored a perfect 6 out of 6 in protection, usability, and performance. So if maximum security is your priority, this app is a solid choice. In our own in-house test, Bitdefender's malware scan caught 146 out of 150 samples we planted, which is one of the highest results our research team has ever seen in mobile antivirus testing. Bitdefender also offers a flexible range of pricing tiers. While there is a free plan, it's only available on Windows. If all you need is malware scanning, the entry-level plan will get the job done. However, the premium security option gives you the full suite of features. Along with everything we've already covered, it also adds a firewall, a fully functioning VPN, a password manager, and even parental controls. I definitely recommend this plan for anyone looking to protect every part of their online experience in one go. The next provider on my best antivirus for mobile list is Norton, which offers a wide variety of pricing tiers to fit different budgets and needs. Personally, I think the Norton Deluxe subscription gives the best value. Along with strong malware scanning, which I'll cover in just a moment, it also includes extras like scam protection, 50 gigabytes of encrypted cloud storage, a password manager, a VPN, dark web monitoring, and parental controls. Just keep in mind that some of these features are only available in the Windows app. As for the main features, Norton includes SMS filtering to block scam and spam text messages, plus Wi-Fi security to keep your connections safe. And for those of you looking for the best antivirus for Android, there's also an Android exclusive App Advisor feature that analyzes apps in the Google Play Store and warns you if they're unsafe to download. There's also Genie Scam Protection, which can detect a wide range of online threats, from scam texts and phishing emails to financial scams hidden in streaming videos. The Norton mobile app also includes a malware scanner that detects and removes threats from your device, keeping all your stored data safe. I found the Norton app to be quite powerful, though it can be a bit resource heavy on older or lower-end devices. That aside, the dashboard is clear and easy to navigate, and the multi-sync software automatically applies system updates across any device where the app is installed. In addition to its wide range of features and easy-to-use design, Norton also comes with strong security measures. Real-time protection runs in the background 24/7 to keep your device secure, while behavior scanning checks for suspicious app downloads. Your browsing is protected by the web protection feature, and with frequent malware database updates, even newly developed threats can be detected. This is backed up by excellent testing results, with Norton scoring a perfect 6 out of 6 in protection, usability, and performance, and detecting 116 out of 150 malware samples in our in-house testing. Whether you prefer Norton, Bitdefender, or TotalAV, you can grab the lowest price on any of today's providers by using the links in the description. And if you're still unsure, I have one more honorable mention that isn't technically a standalone antivirus, but definitely deserves a shout out. Surfshark AV. With the Surfshark One subscription plan, you get one of the best VPNs on the market, along with a very efficient antivirus. The app is easy to navigate, uses minimal battery, and also gives you access to extra features like a private search engine and a data breach scanner. Just keep in mind that while the VPN is available on both Android and iOS, the antivirus itself is exclusive to Android. To sum it all up, each of today's providers has its own strengths, and it's up to you to decide which one fits best. TotalAV is an excellent choice for beginners. Bitdefender stands out with its strong malware detection rates, and if you want powerful anti-scam features, Norton is a solid option. You can scan the QR code on screen to get the lowest possible price on a Bitdefender plan. And if you like to keep learning about cybersecurity products, be sure to check out the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.